Parang hindi po yata ako gaganahang magsalita nang wala akong naririnig na nagpapalakpakan. At lalong hindi po ako gaganahang magsalita nang wala akong naririnig na naghihiyawan. At mas lalong hindi po ako gaganahang magsalita nang wala akong naririnig na nagpapalakpakan at naghihiyawan. And now I finally got each and every one of his attention. Your thought, it becomes your words. Your words, it becomes your actions. Your actions becomes you, and you becomes your personality. A glorious evening, each and every one is standing in front of you is a 20-year-old sinner, all the way from the home of the Philippines, Quezon City, Philippines. My name is Irene Manuel Jr. And I'm proud and happy to represent the BSDS 4th year SEC na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang bakla bading, charing-charing. Ano man po ang itawag ninyo sa amin, amin ang 1/4 ng gabing ito, at ikaw, kayong lahat ang aming mga tagahanga. Once again, may God bless us all and I love you all.
Next, for another gorgeous creation, our candidate, number 3. Dolente Jared, commonly known as Jana Zamora.
The physical attributes of a person in time will change, but the goodness and greatness of the heart will last a lifetime. A glorious evening to each and everyone. Standing in front of you is an 18-year-old stunner who hails from the business capital of the Philippines, Makati City. My name is Jana Zamora, representing second year Set C. Na nag-iiwan po ng isang pick-up line para sa inyong lahat. Pader ka ba? Paihi. Thank you.
Our candidate, number 4, the beautiful Alvin Sarsueta.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jamel Pilato and proud to represent 4th year SETE. And I believe, hindi lahat ng pango ay pangit.
Let's present ourselves another beautiful creature from 4th year SEPI, candidate number 6, Lopez Cusco.
Discrimination is one of the biggest challenges in this kind of gender preference. But we will still prove to the world that we will still exist and part of this world and human beings. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, from the city capital of the Philippines, Manila. I am Rosin Lopez, representing 4th year SELB. Ako. Sardinas ba kayo? Ligo, ligo. Ligo, ligo. Ligo-ligo din pag may tahan.
And our last but not the least, our last contestant will be coming from the 4th year SEPI, candidate number 7, John Vincent Virtudaso.
If someone says I'm pretty, don't mind them because it's given. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is John Vincent Bieber Tutaso, all the way from BSCS 4A, at nag-iiwan ng isang katagang kung ang babae ay tinaguri ang Jasmine Rice at ang mga lalaki ay tinaguri ang Sinandoming Rice, kami namang mga bakla ay tinaguri ang NFA Rice. Hindi man ganun kasarap,